Are you looking for the best garage floor paints in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best garage floor paints that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Kilz 1-part epoxy acrylic concrete and garage floor paint. This 1-part acrylic-based paint from well-known floor coverings company Kilz is one of the best concrete floor paints for the price. With an acrylic base, this concrete paint will go a long way, covering a large surface area with less product than comparable concrete paints. This, along with the low price, makes it perfect for applying 2 or 3 coats of paint. You'll also want to apply more than 1 coat of this paint. It leaves something to be desired in regards to durability, especially compared to epoxy coverings, while not very durable. This gray-colored garage paint is inexpensive and well-suited to areas that get less foot traffic, such as an area you will park a car over top of. Up next in the 4th place is the Quikrete Garage Floor Epoxy Kit. Quikrete's gray epoxy garage floor covering is a lot like Rust-Oleum's epoxy shield in that it is extremely durable, but perhaps a bit difficult to apply. This product can be hard to apply because it is self-leveling, making it a bit runny in comparison to other epoxy floor covering products. That also means it doesn't go as far as many other products, and you'll want to buy a lot of covering if you opt for it. That makes this large format size a good option. This epoxy-based floor covering is also extremely glossy, so if you want your garage floor to have that shiny look whilst also being durable, this product is definitely worth considering. The manufacturer suggests applying this product to a damp, clean floor, and we'd suggest you properly prep your floor before trying to use it. While this product is considered of good quality by us, it is a bit expensive, especially since it doesn't go as far as some other epoxy coverings. The 3rd product on our list is the UGL DryLock Epoxy Semi-Gloss Floor Paint. This is another floor paint from UGL. However, this is an epoxy-based product that will roll on a bit thicker than a regular paint and leave behind a solid, rubbery surface. You'll want to apply 2 coats of this product at the very least, with the first coat typically going on very thin. It's easy to apply, especially compared to some of the other epoxy floor coverings above, but may not prove to be as durable over time, as is true for many epoxies. You may want to consider applying a layer of clear coat epoxy over top of this product for an added layer of durability. This is a quality 1-part epoxy that's inexpensive, easy to work with, and fairly durable. Second on our list is the Supercoat Epoxy Floor Covering. The Supercoat Epoxy Floor Covering is a high-quality epoxy coating that's well-priced, durable, and available in a wide variety of colors. This product is a 2-part epoxy that can be a little tricky to work with, but it produces good results when applied properly. To get the best result, you'll want to properly prep the surface beforehand, cleaning it well and sealing up any cracks or blemishes in the floor. If you are intending on covering a 2-car garage or a larger surface area with this product, you may want to purchase 2 units. You'll want to put more than 1 coat on, and it's better to have a little extra material than to come up a bit short. Finally, the top product on our list is the ColoredEpoxies Epoxy Resin Coating. The ColoredEpoxies Epoxy Resin Coating is a pricey product but is considered professional grade and can, therefore, be used in professional mechanics shops or your home garage, among many other applications. This 2-part resin epoxy will cover about 125 SQ, FT to 170 SQ, FT per 1 gallon can. So the coverage isn't very great, but each coat will go on thick and leave behind a very durable surface material. The end product will also be extremely glossy. While this product can be harder to work with and will require more extensive preparation than a normal paint or consumer-grade epoxies, ColoredEpoxies floor covering will likely leave behind a surface that's superior compared to a less expensive product. We'd highly suggest this epoxy to anyone looking to overhaul their garage floor. Just be sure to properly prep the surface beforehand and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.